What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Me and Your Ghost by blackbear. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and it just uses a few different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So there's 4 chords you need to know. The first one's going to be E minor. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Then you're going G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, ring finger 3rd fret low E string, middle finger 2nd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret high E string. Then C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then finally, you're going A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Now your chord progression is going to be E minor, G, C, G, A minor, E minor, C, G. That's the chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song. So one more time. E minor, G, C, G, A minor, E minor, C, G. So now we're going to break down the palm muting into groups of 8. For the palm muting, you're going to take this fleshy part of your hand and put it near the bridge of your guitar. That way it gives this punchy muted sound. If you're too far forward, it's going to just mute it too much, and if you're too far back, it's not going to mute it at all. So just find that sweet spot where you can strum down with your hand on the strings and it gives you the punchy muted sound, but you can still make out the notes for each chord. So we're going to think in counts of 8, and we're going to be switching between 2 chords during each count of 8. So what I mean by that is your first 2 chords are your E minor and your G, and each count of 8, the first chord is 3 counts, and then the second chord is 5 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the entire chord progression. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist, and the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with the song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.